Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Procreate export profiles for print design detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your device and launch the Procreate app. Ensure you have the latest version of Procreate installed. Navigate to the gallery view by tapping the gallery icon. Select any artwork you want to export. Once your artwork is open, tap the wrench icon in the upper left corner. From the menu that appears, select Share. In the Share options, scroll down and choose Export as. Common options include PNG, JPEG, and TIFF for print design. Choose TIFF for higher quality print exports. After selecting the format, tap on Export. If prompted, select a destination for your export. This could be saving to your device, cloud storage, or sending it directly to an email. Now, go to the website where you can download export profiles for Procreate. Search for export profiles specifically designed for print design. Visit a trusted website that offers profiles, ensuring they are compatible with your version of Procreate. Follow the download instructions provided on the site. Once downloaded, locate the export profile file on your device. Open Procreate again and create a new canvas or open an existing one. Tap the wrench icon again and select Preferences. In the Preferences menu, find the Import option. Tap on Import Profiles, then select the previously downloaded file. Check that the profile is now listed in your available export options. When you return to the Share section, you should now see the new profile available. Select it for your next print design project. Remember to test the profile with a small print before finalizing larger projects. This ensures that your colors and resolution meet your expectations. Congratulations on enhancing your Procreate exporting experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.